Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Exercise 4.2. Question number 13 and 14. Prove that x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 52 when x plus 1 by x equals to 4. So in this case, we always prove left hand side is equals to right hand side, and this left hand side looks like a cube plus b cube form, and we know the corollary a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, now the left hand side, question number 13, left hand side equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to, if we think this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, what we can write? X plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A means x, b means 1 by x. So 3ab means 3x into 1 by x into a plus b means x plus 1 by x equals to. Now let us put the value of x plus 1 by x is 4 cube minus, this is 3 into x into 1 by x means 1. So 3 into x plus 1 by x means 4. 3 into 4 equals to 4 into 4 into 4, 64 minus 12 equals to 52 equals to right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Proved. Question number 14. If a minus 1 by a equals to 5, what is the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube? We know a corollary, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Now we have to just find the value of a cube minus 1 by a cube equals to, can we write it in the form a cube minus b cube? Yes, a minus b whole cube means a minus 1 by a whole cube. Here a is a and b is 1 by a plus 3ab, 3a into b means 1 by a into a minus b means a minus 1 by a equals to, now a minus 1 by a whole cube minus 3a into 1 by a, we can put the value of a minus 1 by a here. So 5 cube plus 3 a into 1 by a means 1. So 3a into again a minus 1 by a means 5. 3 into 5 equals to 125 plus 3 into 5, 15 equals to 140. So value of a cube minus 1 by a cube is 140, but we have to write here that we have put the value of a minus 1 by a. So please write here putting the value of a minus 1 by a here. Otherwise, how you get 5 here? How you get 5 here? It is by putting the value of a minus 1 by a. We get 5 cube plus 3 into 5 equals to 140. So answer is 140. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.